Automotive, doing a follow-up video on our wiring harness case study of our late model Kia. Further investigation, we found that the wiring harness needed to be replaced because of rodent damage. After replacing the wiring harness, the vehicle runs correctly, returned to the customer running well. A suggestion would be, if you live near a wooded area, you might want to park away from the tree line, as rodents are attracted to wiring harnesses.